note, shock replacement can be done with the CURT Helux pin box connected or disconnected from the tow vehicle. Shock all the tires to prevent the RV from moving during the procedure. Then lift the front of the fifth wheel to the desired height. Place jack stands underneath the fifth wheel frame to properly support the unit. Now we will loosen and remove the lower 9/16 nut followed by the upper 9/16 nut. Once the nuts are removed, we'll remove both of the 9/16 mounting bolts for the shock. Be sure to note where the washers go on the upper bolt for future installation. Then you can remove the shock from the mounting brackets. Mount the new shock in the brackets and insert the bolts, washers as they were, and install the nuts. Once the hardware is installed, make sure to tighten the shock bolts to 70 foot-pounds, plus or minus 5 foot-pounds.